Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother XR9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. A classic model from Brother, one GH Textiles analyst has used this machine personally at home for over 5 years, sewing clothes and craft projects alike. This machine combines the simplicity of a beginner machine with excellent features like a clear LCD screen, needle up, down and speed control. It includes a wider table to support bigger quilting and sewing projects. GH analysts found that this machine sewed through a variety of different fabrics with ease, including denim and upholstery fabric. It boasts an intuitive automatic needle threader, too. GH analysts recommend to always use the spool cap when sewing to prevent the thread from sliding off. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Singer M3500 Sewing Machine. When you're in the market for a beginner-friendly option that won't break the bank, this sewing machine might be your best match. Not only is it under $200, but this small but mighty sewing machine is perfect for tight workspaces. The automatic needle threader was simple to use and can thread your needle in a few easy steps. GH analysts were impressed at how well this machine worked with different fabrics, including wool and cotton jersey, and only struggled with delicate fabrics like silk chiffon. During testing, we did notice the one-step buttonhole function wasn't quite seamless and got stuck a few times but ran smoothly after rethreading. This simple machine is ideal to help hem new clothes and repair tiny tears and holes. At number 3, we have the Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Beginners need a machine that is intuitive to use while being capable of advancing as they learn. This model from Brother is up to the task. It has clear threading and bobbin winding directions while also having a variety of buttonholes, 70 stitch options and a needle up, down button. In lab evaluations, GH pros found it easy to thread, change the presser feet and adjust the speed. It sewed through a variety of fabrics with minimal inaccuracies, but it was a bit more difficult to sew with satin materials. GH analysts note that the thread holder may look short at first, but its height is actually adjustable. It includes 10 different presser feet with multiple bobbins to start your sewing journey. At number 2, we have the Singer Start 1304 Sewing Machine. If you're completely new to sewing and want to buy your first machine, our pros recommend the Singer Start 1304. It's a simple machine with easy-to-use controls that won't overwhelm a novice sewer. Its small size and lightweight makes it perfect to bring to sewing classes, while the metal frame ensures it'll last. With over 6,000 rave Amazon reviews, reviewers especially appreciate the easily accessible back stitch and the simple controls for easy learning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. One of the most popular heavy-duty sewing machines on the market, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine is great for sewing through challenging fabrics like denim and leather. The needles are size 16, which can go through multiple layers of denim. A non-stick foot is included for other challenging fabrics like leather and vinyl. The pressure of the presser foot is adjustable when sewing on more lightweight versus heavyweight fabrics. With 32 built-in stitches, this machine is great for heavy-duty and standard fabrics alike. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.